Hey guys, this is Oshin, In a Man's Head YouTube channel. This is an introduction to the channel. I plan to discuss finances, marriage, some auto mechanic stuff, intro type things. I certainly am not a mechanic. I am not a finance guy making millions of money, and I'm not a marriage counselor either. I just have a lot of experience in different things and hope to pass that knowledge as easy as possible to those who are willing to listen. Um, I'm calling it In a Man's Head because mainly it's going to be surrounded uh, with reviews and teachings of generally things men would want to know, but certainly not limited to um, information helpful to anybody. So if you're interested, if you like what I have said in the past, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe. I will have many more videos to come. I will be pushing this YouTube thing a little bit more and trying to reach out a bigger audience and helping people out. I will discuss eBay, Amazon sales, trying to get income, easy ways to make income, simple weird repairs that I do around the house or on the car, things that possibly certain people want a very easy step by step training on. And then, of course, I've been married for about almost 10 years, and definitely about how we've lasted this long, trials and tribulations we've gone through, and how, as a guy, or even just anybody, how we handle our things. Throughout these videos, I will introduce my family. I will get my wife involved. We will have possibly some live videos as well as we get subscribers who are interested. Thank you. Push that like button and the subscribe button. Thank you.